Good morning, dear students. Today we start to discuss about the next part of lesson 16, our food. Okay. Today we start to discuss about vegetables and fruits. A large variety of vegetables and fruits are grown in India, but they do not remain available throughout the year because different fruits and vegetables grow in different seasons. In our country, India, the farmers grow different types of fruits and vegetables. But we do not get all types of fruits and vegetables throughout the year because different fruits and vegetables are grown in different seasons. Okay, for example, we get cabbage, cauliflower, radish, carrots, and peas in winter season, and we eat these vegetables in winter season. Similarly, we get lady's finger, bottle gourd, watermelon, muskmelon, mangoes, lychees, etc. in summer season, and we eat these fruits and vegetables in summer season. Okay, there are some fruits and vegetables which we get throughout the year, such as potatoes, onions, brinjals, apples, and bananas. These vegetables and fruits we get throughout the year. Okay. Different fruits are grown in different states and union territories in our country, India. The states of Himachal Pradesh and the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir are famous for their apples. Okay, the apples of these two places, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, are very famous in our country, and we also get those apples in our locality also. Ratnagiri in Maharashtra is famous for its Alfonso mangoes. Ratnagiri, it is located in Maharashtra. It is very famous for its Alfonso mango. Alfonso is one type of mango. We have different types of mangoes or different names of mangoes. Alfonso is one among of them, and it is grown in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. It is very popular. So, Ratnagiri is very popular for its Alfonso mango. Uttar Pradesh is very famous for its Doseri mangoes. We already learned that we have different names of mangoes. In Uttar Pradesh, Doseri mango is grown, and Uttar Pradesh is very popular for Doseri mangoes. And we also get this mango at our locality. Okay. Nagpur in Maharashtra is very famous for its oranges. Nagpur in Maharashtra where oranges are grown, and we also get this orange at our locality. Okay. Nasik in Maharashtra is very famous for its onion, and we also get this onion at our locality. In our state, at Malda district, we get mangoes. Malda is very famous for its mangoes. Okay, understand? Next, to discuss about oils. Oil is needed to cook food, and this oil is called cooking oil. Oil is very essential in our everyday life. It is used to cook food, and that's why it is called cooking oil. Cooking oil is extracted from different oil seeds. In our country, the farmers grow different oil seeds such as groundnut, mustard, sunflower, sesame, coconut, palm, and olive. Okay, and we get oil by extracting these oil seeds. Okay, and we get different types of oils such as groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, palm oil, and olive oil. Understand? Next, we discuss about spices. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, chilies, coriander, cumin, cloves, pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon are different types of spices which are used to add flavor, color, and taste to food. In our country, different types of spices are grown, such as ginger, garlic, turmeric, chilies, coriander, cumin, cloves, pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon. And the cooks of our country use these spices to add flavor, color, and taste to our food. Okay. Spices have made Indian food popular in the world. By using these spices, Indian food is very popular throughout the world. Okay. Most of the spices are grown in our country throughout the world. And that's why India is the largest producer of spices in the world. And India is the largest exporter of spices in the world. Our country exports different spices in different countries in the world. Okay. In our country, most of the spices are grown in the state Kerala. And that's why Kerala is called the land of spices. Okay. Thank you to all.